What's up, what's good, what's popping, babies? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be trying out the Febble Eyeshadow palette. So it's just eyeshadow, as what you can see, just Febble Eyeshadow, and it says right here that it is 16 colors eyeshadow and 5 color blush palette, but I don't think I'll be using this 5 as a blush, and I'd rather use it as an eyeshadow, as a regular eyeshadow. But yeah, it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 14 21 palettes. I'm just going to be removing this plastic up. So as you can see, it is still fresh. I haven't used it. Ta-da! So yeah, so nice and cute. Really excited to try this eye glitter. This is how it looked like. As you can see, it has just one glitter over here, and the rest are just shimmers and mattes. But yeah, I'm really excited to be trying out this palette out. Febble Cosmetic is really stepping up its game. It's like literally taking over the Philippines right now because of a lot of beauty vloggers out there are reviewing these palettes. Not just this palette, but the entire collection of Febble Eyeshadow because they love the pigmentation and it is very affordable. And yeah, let's see what crazy eyeshadow look we are going to be doing. So without further ado, let's start this video. I just moisturized my face, and now we're going to be heading straight on with the eye makeup first because I don't want to mess up our base makeup. So yeah, let's head straight on the eye makeup first, and I'll probably be very adventurous with this eyeshadow palette because girl, it has lots of different colors and shades. This is very similar to one of Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palettes. I just don't know, and I'm really not that sure what palette it is, but this is very similar to Huda Beauty's eyeshadow palette. But yeah, I bought this for like $3 to $4, I believe. Girl, the packaging is to die for and it's very cute. But yeah, let's head straight to the eye makeup first. So for my eyeshadow base, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it's in the shade of 110 Fair. So I'm just going to be applying this directly on my lids. This is going to help our eyeshadow to last longer and also to pop the colors out from the eyeshadows. So now I'm going to be taking this shade Angelic, and I'm just going to be applying it on my lids. For our transition shade, I'm going to be using the shade Amuse, and I'll just place it right here above our lids. Still using the same brush, I'm going to be using the shade Amuse, and I'll just place it on where we put on our transition shade, but just on the inner half only. Sorry if I'm not giving justice to these colors out because these colors are being washed out by my phone. If I had the budget, I'll be buying Super HD camera. So y'all better not skip my ads because I want to get some new cameras. So this is very pigmented and not as washed out as how it looked in the camera. But anyways, let's continue. I'm just applying it on the other eye, like so. So now using a smaller blending brush, I'm going to be using the shade Delight. I'm going to be focusing this color on the outer V of my lids. So now using a clean blending brush, I'm just going to be blending these edges out so it will have a nice blend to our eyes. So it'll look very blended and very smoked out. What from I can tell, this palette is very powdery compared to the other two that I bought before, but the pigmentation is very nice. It's just a little bit powdery, but yeah. Moving on, I'm using the shade Cola, and I'm just going to be applying it on the ends of our eye. So now I'll be taking a flat brush and a mist, and I'm just going to be spritzing some over here like that, and I'll be taking the shade Passion and I'll be applying it on my lids. Oh wow, this is going to be the base for our eye glitter. I'm really in love with this shimmer eyeshadow. Look at that girl, it's not even the face glitter yet, but she's shining over there. She popping. Wow, I'm very impressed. I love the formula. But anyways, let's head straight to the eye glitter, and I'm just going to be using my ring finger to pack this color out. Oh wow, this is very creamy. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. I wasn't really expecting this, but girl, she's there. She's saying hi, y'all. Oh, wow. The only downside in this palette is that it has lots of fallouts, and as you can see over here, it's a good thing that I didn't do my face makeup first, because girl, I'll be having lots of fallouts by then. Anyways, I'll be taking this shade Midnight, and I'll be packing this on our ends so that it will have a little depth to our eye makeup. I'm just gonna be applying a liquid eyeliner. I'm not gonna be doing some crazy winged line. So now I'm just gonna be applying my falsies off camera, and I'll be back. Now let us head on with the brows. This is a very dark brown shade, but yeah, I'm gonna be using this. I just want our brows to be very natural looking and not too overdrawn, so this is the perfect eyebrow pencil that you should get from So this is very cheap. It's around like $2, $3, I guess. So now let us move forward with the face makeup. So with that, I'm going to be using my newest face brush set. Look how pretty it is. I have a foundation brush, an angled brush that is very nice for contouring or bronzing the face, and just your regular blush brush, some cleaning tool that you use for cleaning, and just a cute little blending sponge. I got this set for like $3, I believe, because it was on sale, and it is a pretty good deal. But anyways, let's head straight on with the face makeup. I'm going to be using this flat foundation brush together with the Maybelline Super Safe Foundation in a shade of 128 Warm Nude. So now I'm just going to be applying my concealer over here, a little bit on here, tip of our nose, and here. So to blend this concealer, I'm just going to be using the blending sponge that it came in with that face makeup set. So now I'm just going to be powdering my face with this Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One Foundation Powder. And I'm just going to be adding a little bit of this Pond's BB powder in this foundation powder. So yeah, this is just going to set our foundation so it wouldn't move and it'll stay just on its place. Just going to be baking our under eyes, because I'm just going to be applying eyeshadows on our lower lash line, and we don't want fallout, so this will prevent the fallouts from sticking to our eyes, our face. So now going back with our eye makeup, still using this Febble Eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to be taking the shade Delight, and I'll just apply it below my lash line. Now using a small angled brush, I'm just going to be applying the shade Cola and a little bit of Midnight, and I'm just going to be placing it here at the ends of our lash line for that sultry effect. And now taking this small eyeshadow brush, I'm just going to be using this shade Sidekick, and I'll be applying it in my inner corners, and also I'll just apply it here in my brow bone. And now I'm just going to be applying loads of mascara on our bottom lashes, so it'll give a little drama to our eyes. So now, you know the drill. Vice Cosmetics for contour and blush, For Sure for the contour, Buchan for the blush. Now for the highlight, I'm going to be using the Sleek Highlighting Palette. And now for the lips, I'm going to be using the Everbilena Liquid Lipstick on the outer lips. This is in the shade Dusk. And now for the inner lips, I'm going to be using the UNTOUCH matte lipstick in the shade of 07. So let's start the hour in 3, 2, 1.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy.
So this is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you like this makeup tutorial that I did using the Febble Eyeshadow palette, which is this pink, rosy pink fantasy cutesy princess shades. But yeah, I really enjoyed using that palette. So I think that you can create endless makeup looks using this palette. It has lots of colors that you can definitely pull out whichever skin tone you are. The only downside with this palette is that the eyeshadows fall off, so you should better do your eye makeup first, or else your face makeup will get lots of glitters and shimmers all over. But yeah, the mattes are nice. I love the mattes. They are very pigmented, but they are very powdery. The eyeshadow, the shimmer ones, I love. It is also very pigmented. It can really stay to your eyelids and it doesn't really move compared to other shimmer eyeshadow, which moves when you get sweaty all around your eyes. I made a TikTok video, by the way. I sweated a lot, but yeah, it's still there. Also, the eye glitter is still here. It's still intact. It didn't move, nor it did fall off to my face during the course of me doing my TikTok. But yeah, I love this palette so much. Would I recommend it? Of course, dear. This is only like $3-4, I guess. But yeah, anyways, this outfit I wore on this video is from Shein, and I'll be linking it on the description box down below, so you'll just click it and you'll go straight to this outfit. And don't forget to use my discount code, which is lenaleraine3 on your every purchase, so you can save 15% off. And yeah, that's basically it. So this is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed doing this video. Thank you so much for watching and tuning in until the end of this video. Please subscribe if you haven't, leave a like, comment down below your video suggestions, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell every time I make an upload. And I will see you on my next video. Goodbye.
I will love you every day, as long as you're in my arms.